You guys, so here goes my 2020 Valentine's Day little decorations. It looks absolutely beautiful. Here is the tablescape. I'm gonna go ahead and add a few flowers. Let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty. So here's the table. Here is, I just added those red placemats in here just so I can use them. I don't have anywhere else to put them right now. Here is the little centerpiece. These little snacks will be gone in no time. And this is how I styled. Let's move this. I just love that little crystal cupcake, so I just place it there. And there it goes. There's the other placemat. And then I just move the chairs over here out of the way. The balloons, how cute and festive, right? And then here is the coffee station. So there goes those little stream lights and all that good stuff. And this is what we just made. I just put them over there. I added those little balls that came from Dollar Tree a while ago. I think Christmas things, I don't know. But there you go. Over here, I got my creamer tucked away over here in this corner, and I changed it out and put this little vase, but you can't read lights with the hearts lit up. How cute is that, right? I like this. That looks much cleaner. Would love every moment. Yay. And then this is the rest of the coffee station here. It's absolutely so beautiful, so simple. Love it. Little coffee station. This is the countertop. This is the little, I just added those over here because I have nowhere to place these little vases, and I just sucked the rest of those in there that I had left over from the Dollar Tree. This little heart plate is over here. So this is how this little little cutout is styled over here. Yeah, I know, nothing too much, just a little sprinkle of Valentine's over here. Yeah, so here goes the kitchen. Let's move on. My command center, I just added this little heart garland. How cute is that? And then this little heart came from the Dollar Tree, so I think that was really cute to add up there. Probably has to be one of my favorite tables to date. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, here goes the bedroom. How pretty. So I attempted to make this into an heart with this crushed velvet fabric that I used to make a bow during like the holiday season. And I sprinkled a few rose petals. Then I added the tray. Mr. gifted those seamless glasses to me. Found that cutie at the Dollar Tree. So I think it is so cute. Really simple to the point, but cute, very festive. Love it. Okay, here goes my coffee table. I just put some random stuff on here just to make it a little festive and cute. These actually came from the Dollar Tree. How pretty are those? And this is the book that I'm reading right now, so I just put it there. Here goes this. And I found that love from Pier 1, probably like back in December, right when they put the Valentine things out. And then I just put the red vase over there just because I have those balloons on a candlestick, and I just put the vase on there. Just why not? Cute idea from a girl off Instagram. Just a wallpaper on the TV on YouTube. I thought it was super cute, festive, all of that. Here goes this beautiful arrangement here I just shared from Home Goods. It was a little pricey, but it's so worth it. It's a big statement piece. There's my love sign. I have no idea where I've gotten that from. And these chairs have been like this for a while. Okay, so here goes my living room. How cute is this living room? All right, what I did was remove this fiddle leaf fig tree, which is right here now. That it was here, and now I just put it over here just so I can put my balloons over here and be a little more festive and all that good stuff. The coffee table, so simple. Okay, so there we go. These are sent to me from Rose Forever. I could not find anywhere to place this little little heart thing, so I just set it on the dog cages. Here, my desk is a bit messy, but I just added this little Dollar Tree little love balloon. How cute is that? It's hot pink. There we go. It's hot pink, this one, and then inside of my bedroom, I have the red one in there. Here is this little entryway, little table per se. So I just added these little IKEA candles on here. And this is a little heart. I could not find a good place to put it, so I just stuck it there. It'll be here for another day, and then we'll just put it all up. And then this has been there for a while. I just stuck these little Dollar Tree picks into my arrangement that I created, like a winter wonderland type of thing. That heart came out of some chocolate, so I just placed it there. So that's my little entryway table. How cute. Yeah, so here is the living room. So the balloon. I think that's it, and then we're back into the kitchen with this pretty tablescape, the balloons over here. So cute. Oh, I put the little rack that's usually here. It's inside the pantry. I just placed it in there. So there it goes, sitting in there.
That's cute. This surely should gain you 50,000 subscribers in 10 minutes.